House needed a lot of work. I had to put a new roof on, updated the power, and then now I'm doing the furnaces. And I did look down at the furnace when it was bigger than my little car out in the driveway. I was like, okay, that's gonna have to change. And the $600 heating bill last winter wasn't very nice to me either. Had to start updating, looking at what could be more efficient. And this past summer started doing some research, and I was able to just come to the conclusion that Mattawan Mechanical was being straightforward with me. They told me the whole process of what's gonna have to happen. And so I didn't feel like I was gonna have any unexpected surprises through the project.
We're out here at this historical home on Murray Street in Mattawan, Michigan. We're here with Mattawan Mechanical. We have James, Dakota, and Austin, our employees.
This house is actually from the early 1900s, and the furnace is over 50 years old.
Let's go see how it looks.
So the ideal situation for us is when we install these 3 new furnaces, we're gonna be able to eliminate all this ductwork. So instead of you having this big unit, this big old Lennox furnace, overheating certain spots and you're trying to damper everything down, and actually be able to temperature control each area. So we're gonna be removing this monstrosity from the basement and getting it out here and getting our new systems installed. Dave is disconnecting the supply right now, and Joe on the other side is actually disconnecting the air return, getting these ducts removed from the old system so that we can get the system slid out of there and taken apart. We actually have the gas line shut off, disconnected, and capped, and we have the electrical turned off, disconnected, and now we're moving on to the ductwork. This is the remnants of all the ductwork that fed all 3 apartments. As you can see, there's a lot of dust and debris and just dirt and filth within inside them. It's important to have your ductworks cleaned and have your maintenance done regularly.
Tom, the owner, is going to design the ducts for the 3 systems here. He's going to fabricate it there at Mattawan Mechanical. We'll do it all ourselves and redesign it for the 3 systems so it can work efficiently and effectively.
Now that we got unit 1 set in place with the ductwork hooked up to it, and we're finishing the gas pipe, we're moving on to unit 2, and we're going to be running all the ductwork. These train furnaces are 96% efficient to get the maximum comfort and efficiency for the space. We have 3 supplies right here, and all 3 supplies feed a room in the home. With each one of those supplies, we have a damper that we can adjust for airflow to regulate the comfort in each individual space. The job of the air conditioners is to transfer heat from inside to outside. When we start up our air conditioners, we make sure that they are running at their peak performance. We designed a system to create the maximum amount of comfort for the space with the least cost to the homeowner. Let's go inside and see how the customer will be able to control the system. This is a Sensi thermostat. This is where you'll be able to control the temperature of your home. This temperature also can be controlled from your phone because it has Wi-Fi capabilities. I'd like to thank Kelly for entrusting us to renovate this early 1900s home into a modern HVAC system that is more efficient. I'd also like to thank the Mattawan Mechanical crew for their hard work and their dedication to make all this possible.
You're getting a real company, real people communicating with you. It just kind of felt good for me to be comfortable with them and have them in my house.
Your comfort crew since '92.